Hi students, good morning to everyone. Last week, I explained statement to equation. For given statement, how will make the equation, or equation to how will write the statement. So these two concepts explained. Now, solving an equation. Okay, we want to find the solution. Okay, so that is today's concept. Okay, right. So how will find the value of variable for particular equation? Okay, for example, x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so what about x value? Which one is suitable value for x? Okay, if substitute any one value for x means we get left hand side is equal to right hand side. நமக்கு left hand side right hand side ஈக்குவலா இருந்தா அது ஈக்குவேஷன் சொல்லுவோம். சோ எந்த வேல்யூ சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணும்போது ஈக்குவல் கிடைக்குதோ அதுதான் சொல்யூஷன். Okay, right. So how will find the solution? I will explain. For example, here if substitute minus 3 means minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, right. Some procedure is there. I will explain one by one. The next first point is if we add the same number to both sides of an equality, it still holds. Okay, already one equality is there. Okay, if add the same number, it is very important one. Okay, to the both sides. Okay, now I have 5 rupees. Okay, so both sides have 5 rupees. Okay, so already equal is there. So to both are equal. Right. Now if we add the same number to both sides, ரெண்டு பக்கமும் ஒரே நம்பர் ஆட் பண்ணும்போது ஆல்ரெடி 5 rupees இருக்கு. இப்போ நான் இவனுக்கு வந்து 2 rupees கொடுக்கிறேன், இவனுக்கு வந்து 1 rupee கொடுக்கணும். Are they equal? No. Are they equality? No. Okay, so 5 plus 2 7, 5 plus 1 6 only will come. Okay, so 7 6 is not same. Okay, right. I add 2 rupees here. Here also I will add 2 rupees. Now again you get same. So before here 5 plus 5 is equal to 5. I add 2 to both sides. Already one equality is there. Okay, if we add the same number, it is very important one. Same number. You can 2 add panna, you can 2 add panna. If we add the same number to both sides, rendu pakkamum left hand side as well as right hand side. Okay, so as an equality, already one equality irukku. Okay, adula it still holds. Okay, thirumum adhe da irukum. 5 plus 2 7. Here 5 plus 2 7, again equal. Okay, now values are different, but again they are equal. Okay, if we add the same number to both sides of an equality, already one equality irukku. Okay, now 4 3, it is not equal, it is inequality. It is equal கிடையாது. சார் நீங்க போய்ட்டு ஒரே சேம் நம்பர் ஆட் பண்ணா இது ஈக்குவல் கிடைக்கும்னா we cannot add it now. We cannot add. Okay, suppose if add means we cannot get equality. Okay, because it is inequality. It is not equality. அதாவது equal symbol இல்ல. Equal symbol இல்லனா it is not equal. இது பாக்கும்போது 4 and 3 are they equal? No. Okay, so it is inequality. So இதுல நம்ம போய் சேம் நம்பர் ஆட் பண்ண முடியாது. Okay, if we add the same number to both sides of an equality, already equality இருக்குல அதுல தான் பண்ண முடியும். Okay, so it is first concept. Are you clear? Then second concept. Now the second concept if we subtract the same number, okay, similarly add from both sides. Okay, listen, we last here used to do both sides. Okay, if we add in front of number or back side, the value will be same. Okay, 4 plus 2 or 2 plus 4, the values will be same only. Okay, so only we add to the both sides. But here if we subtract the same number from the both sides, from both sides. Okay, அந்த both sides already என்ன இருக்கோ அதுல இருந்து okay, for example here 10 is there, here also 10 is there. Okay, so it is equality தானே, both are equal, both value are equal, so it is equality, okay, right. Now if we subtract the same number from, already we have 10, so from 10 minus 5, here also from number 10 minus 5. Okay, so subtract the same number from both sides and an equality, it still holds. Okay, திரும்பவும் அதே தான் இருக்கு, 10 minus 5 point. Okay, so the equality does not change, values will be changed. Here 10, here 5, but they are equal. Okay, so that is our condition. Okay, if we subtract the same number from both sides of an equality, it still holds. Okay, so it is examples for that one. Okay, so next one. Okay students, so using the two condition to cancel them, I will explain some problems. Exercise 4.2. Give first the step you will use to separate the variable. First step kude எதுக்கு அப்படினா variable நம்ம செப்பரேட் தனியா பிரிக்கிறதுக்கு என்ன யூஸ் பண்ற, use to separate the variable, variable நம்ம தனியா பிரிக்கணும், அதுக்கு என்ன ஸ்டெப் யூஸ் பண்ண போற, so that is give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation, then you solve it. Okay, right. So first one, x minus 1 is equal to 0, it is a given equation, so I want to solve it. Before solving this equation, want to give first step, okay, to separate the variables. Okay, I need only variable, okay, how will separate it? X minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so I need only variable, so how can get it? Here minus 1 is there, but we don't no need minus 1, but we cannot delete it without any step. நம்ம டேட்டா delete பண்ண சார் minus 1 வேணாம்ங்கறீங்க, ஆனா டேட்டா எடுத்தற அப்படினா அப்ப இது பண்ண முடியாது. We want to give proper step, நம்ம ஒரு proper step வந்து கொடுக்கணும், அப்பதான் நம்ம கேன்சல் பண்ண முடியும். ஓகே, சோ இந்த minus 1 இருக்கு, இந்த minus 1 எனக்கு வர கூடாது, அப்ப என்ன பண்ணலாம்? minus 1 plus 1, இதுக்கு opposite, it is additive inverse. What is additive inverse of minus 1? Minus 1 means plus 1. Okay, plus 1 means add. So add 1 to both sides. Add 1 to both sides. Okay, so that is your first step. Add 1 to both sides. Okay, so that is first step. Add 1 to both sides. Okay, here minus 1 is there, so I will add plus 1. Suppose a plus means subtract, I will explain later. Right, now write yes. First you ought to write left hand side terms. Left hand side, what are the terms? X minus 1. Okay, we want add plus 1. Okay, so I write the equation symbol. Here already 0 is there, we want to add 1 plus 1. Okay, x minus 1, 0, 0. So add 1 to both sides, so plus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 plus 1, okay. So x minus 1 plus 1, 0. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. So we get only x. 0 plus 1, 1. That's all. It is solution, it is step. Okay. So number the variable separate பண்ணது என்ன step யூஸ் பண்ணோம்? Add 1 to both sides. Add 1 to both sides. Okay, that is a step. Then next question, second question. X plus 1 is equal to 0. Next way, x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, solution. So first you have to write the equation x plus 1 is equal to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0. Right? Now we want to delete this number. Already what is that? Plus 1. Okay. So plus 1 means what is the additiveness of plus 1? Additiveness means plus 1 means minus 1. Minus 2 means plus 2. Okay. So additiveness of 1 minus 1. Okay. Minus means subtract. Okay. So step. What is the step? Subtract 1. Subtract 1 from both sides. From, that is very important word. From both sides. Subtract 1 from both sides. Write it. First left hand side variables write it. Terms write it. Left hand side enna write pannidhu x plus 1. Okay. Right hand 0. Okay. Use some space here because we want to subtract. Okay. Right. Next edha subtract pannom. 1 subtract pannom. Minus 1. Minus 1. Okay. Now 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. 0. Okay, 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, so x is equal to minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1, 0. Plus 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, so 0 minus 1 value, minus 1. Okay, so what is the value? X is equal to minus 1. That's our solution. Okay, so what is the step where? Subtract 1 from both sides. Subtract 1 from both sides. Okay, so next question. Next one. Other number I will use it. D. X plus 6 is equal to 2. X plus 6 is equal to 2. Okay, solution. So first you write the equation x plus 6 is equal to 2. X plus 6 is equal to 2. Ready. Now, here what is this? Plus 6, no. So plus means what is the additiveness of plus 6? Minus 6. Plus 6 means minus 6. So minus means subtract. Okay. So step. What is the step here? Subtract 6 from both sides. Subtract 6 from both sides. That's all. Okay. So x plus 6. Here leave some space. Here write 2. First left hand side and right hand side write it. Here leave some space. Koncham eda videy. Ena subtract panna porum. Subtract 6 from both sides. Already x plus 6 is there. So minus 6. Here minus 6. Okay. So it is very important one. From both sides. By the same number. Same number. Minus 6 minus 6. So 6 minus 6 0. So remaining only x. Now 2 minus 6. So one positive number, one negative number, one positive, one negative. So we want to subtract from largest number in front of bracket. We want to write largest number side. What about largest number? Minus. So x is equal to minus 4. That is solution. X is equal to minus 4. Okay, that is solution. Okay. Okay. So now 3 questions explained. Remaining next class I will explain. Okay, thank you students.